In this video, I'll show you how to change the time frame in TradingView. When you're analyzing charts, the time frame you choose is very important because it determines how much data you see and how each candlestick is displayed. For example, day traders often use shorter time frames like seconds or minutes. To change the time frame in TradingView, go to the upper left corner of your screen and click on the time frame icon. You'll see a full list of options: seconds and minutes for short-term analysis, hours and days for medium-term analysis, weeks and months for longer-term trends. You can also adjust the range directly from this menu, which lets you view a customized amount of data on your chart. Once you select your preferred time frame, the chart will automatically update to match your choice, giving you the exact perspective you need for your trading style. And that's it. That's how you change and customize timeframes in TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more TradingView tips and trading guides.